Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a space without any plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, press OK, go to layer, new solid and I'll call it stars. Then press OK. Go to effects and presets and type CC particle wall, drag and drop, and here we go. Okay, I'll go to physics and velocity down to 0 and also gravity down to 0 like this. Go to particle and I'll change line to faded sphere and change this color to white. Also I'll go to size, make it 100 and max opacity also 100, and let me go to produce here and change radius X like this and Y and Z. Maybe Z around around 3 like this. Okay, also I go to earth size, increase it, and depth size also I'll increase it. Okay, now I'll go to birth rate, increase it around maybe 15 is good for me, and yeah. Okay, go to layer, new camera and press OK. Go to position, transform, position, go to first frame, and first I'll go to stars here and move this line to see all these particles here like this. Okay, now go to camera again, position, keyframe, go to the last frame and change active camera to camera 1, then go to Z track and shift and click, and yeah. Like this. Okay, let me see. Okay, so good. And this is our stars. Now I'll go to file and import my first photo, import and drag and drop, then I'll press S to scale it like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to effect, color correction and curves and change RGB like this. I'll make it so dark like this. Then go to effect and color correction again and brightness contrast and change brightness like this. Okay, make this photo 3D like this and see. Okay, now I'll go to import another photo here, I think this one, and also drag and drop. Okay, I'll go to galaxy, the first photo, and press curves and also brightness contrast and Control C and Control V in this photo, and I'll go to pen tool here and Okay, now I'll go to mask feather and increase it like this. Make this photo 3D also and change normal to screen. Then go to position, press P to position and position Z, also position Y and X like this. Okay, now see, yeah, very good. Okay, another photo. This one, drag and drop and change normal to screen and press S to scale it. Okay, also go to pen tool and I need this part. Go to masks, mask 1 and mask feather and change it like this, increase it, yeah. Also I'll go to this photo and Control C and copy and paste like this. Make this photo 3D also and change position X and Y like this. Okay, also Z position. Okay, very good. Again, another photo. Okay, take this one and this one. Okay, I'll take this one, this photo, and scale it. Okay, and I'll take this part, so I'll go to pen tool and mask feather like this. Again, I'll go to this photo and Control C, Control V like this. Make it 3D and also change normal to screen. Go to press P and position, also change position like this. Y. Okay, change X position like this, and also the mask. We don't need these points here. Very good. Another photo. Import. I'll take this one and press S to scale it. Also, I'll go to any photo and Control C, Control V. Make this photo also 3D like this. change the position. Maybe I want to make it here. This would be good. Change the position also. And I can put a mask here. This and mask feather to change. Okay, it's very good. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.